What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today, this is the start of a new series that I'm working on called Conspiracy and Technology.
What?
So for our first broadcast here today, what most people don't know is that in the 1960s, the CIA had a bird-shaped spy drone.
Dun 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 dun.
And microphones. It says here it was part of the Project Equiline, a program to develop a low-altitude reconnaissance vehicle that could evade radar by being mistaken for a bird.
Duh.
Approximately the size of a large bird with a wingspan around 8 feet.
Damn!
Various intelligence gathering payloads. While prototypes were built and tested, the project was ultimately canceled before becoming operational.
Why?
Complexity and the risk of being shot down if its low-flying nature was discovered. I have a feeling, being the CIA, I don't think this program actually ended. I'm pretty sure they used this quite a bit.
What? No.
Canceled before becoming operational. But again, with all the lies the government's telling us nowadays, do you guys really believe that? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know what y'all think about this.
An X-Files monster in your basement?
Oddly enough, it says down here, prototypes were built and tested at Area 51. That's very interesting. The project was canceled in November 1971, and they never became operational. That's what they're telling us.
No.
Honestly, I don't know about y'all, but I don't trust the government as far as I could throw them. Considering, I believe it was the 1960s that the military was using computers. But they weren't telling us about it. Computers didn't come out here until the 1980s. So there's no telling what these guys have been doing ever since then. To be honest with you, they've not been very transparent. And not only are they not transparent, I mean, they brought Nazi scientists over here to work for NASA, okay?
Alrighty then.
How crazy is that? These people were literally should have been jailed for war crimes, and they were like, you know what? Why don't y'all just come over and work for us?
Duh.
That sounds like a great idea. All to be #1 in the world.
Duh.
Now we can go off on a tangent here.
Why?
And apparently our iPhones have way more technology than the first space shuttle that went into space had. Apparently the microwaves had more technology in them than what they had. So there's no wonder why people think we didn't even go to the moon. But I'm not going to touch that subject at all today. I just wanted to bring this to y'all. Again, this is a new series that I'm starting on the channel. I hope y'all like it. And if you do, please hit that like, hit that subscribe. Help me out. I really like doing this and making videos and stuff. Obviously, I don't expect it to go anywhere, but that would be great if it did. Stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be upgrading the CPU cooler in my computer and putting a riser for my RTX 3080 in the case, so the sag bracket doesn't break off. And I'm also wiring a remote start into it. That way I can turn it on and off from my bed. That way I don't have to reach all the way up there and almost break my neck trying to hit the power button, because it's all the way out the ceiling almost.
Shit.
Thanks, guys. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Y'all be safe out there.